Now I want to explain why ERPNext over any other ERP software, either paid or open source or so-called open source, right? Why ERPNext? So there are three main things why I think any business or any American business should consider ERPNext. One is abstraction, right? So abstraction lets you reuse things again and again in a more adaptable way. So what I mean by that is every business needs to sell, every business needs to purchase something, every business needs to do accounting. People dealing with inventory or stock, they have to manage their inventory, right? So the concepts that are required to sell are not going to change for any business, right? So what ERPNext does is it abstracts those concepts and gives you an easy interface or an easy form where you can record this data and enter in a database in a structured way so that you can make sense out of it. The other part to this why is flexibility. So flexibility is what makes it more adaptable. So every business, although I say that every business needs to do certain things, but every business is different in some way or the other, right? Even in a particular domain, let's consider manufacturing. So every manufacturing business will have some nuances specific to them, regardless of even if they are the same manufacturing domain, right? So what that means is you need the software to be flexible enough to give you some leeway to add certain fields, to do certain things your way, so that the software can work according to your business and the software does not dictate what you need to do in your business. And then freedom, right? So ERP Next is 100% open source with the source code being available on GitHub uh, right away. No, I mean, all modules, there's nothing called, open core or anything like that. What that means is that you get four freedoms of open source. One is to run the program as you wish to, right? Meaning you can run it on-prem, you can run it on Frappe managed cloud, which is Frappe Cloud. You can run it on DigitalOcean, you can run it on AWS, you can run it anywhere. Study the program is the second freedom, meaning that since the source code is available, you can study the program to understand how it runs. Apart from the documentation, you have the source code available. You can understand, you can dive deeper into what the code actually does, right? You can double, you can be double, make sure twice that, security is good. Since the code is open source, you can, verify the security features, etc. Third freedom is redistribute the program, meaning that you can redistribute it as you wish. And then the last freedom is distribute the modified program, meaning that you not only have the freedom to modify it, but distribute the modified program. So as you can see, you know, these are the three main reasons why ERP Next stands out from any ERP hands down, right? And this is like a dream come true for any business. You have adaptability, flexibility, and freedom to do whatever you wish to do.